This Dasaita Vivid unit is a direct fit upgrade for Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 through 2015, keeping factory features like steering wheel controls, original amplifier integration, and backup camera, while adding a far more modern interface. The 10.2-inch QLED touchscreen is bright, sharp, and easy to read in daylight, and the optically bonded panel helps cut reflections so maps and menus stay clear while driving. With an octa-core Qualcomm processor, Android 13, 8 GB of memory, and 256 GB of storage, the system feels very quick when multitasking between navigation, music, and other apps. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work reliably, letting you handle calls, messages, and music with voice commands so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Sound quality is a big step up from most stock Tacoma stereos thanks to the built-in amplifier, detailed equalizer controls, and support for high-quality digital audio output. Off-road drivers will appreciate the dedicated off-road mode with a built-in gyroscope that tracks vehicle angles and can warn you if you are getting into a risky tilt situation.